Have you ever wondered how life on Earth thrives? The secret lies in photosynthesis. This crucial process supports most living organisms. It's time to uncover how it works. Photosynthesis is carried out by plants, algae, and certain bacteria. These organisms capture sunlight to produce oxygen and chemical energy stored in glucose. Herbivores feed on plants to access this energy. Carnivores, in turn, rely on herbivores for their energy source. Let's explore the process of photosynthesis. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and water from the environment. In the plant cells, water undergoes oxidation, losing electrons. At the same time, carbon dioxide gets reduced, gaining electrons. This transformation creates oxygen and glucose. The oxygen is released into the air, while glucose stores energy for the plant. Now, let's discuss chlorophyll. It's a pigment found in chloroplasts, the tiny powerhouses inside plant cells. Chlorophyll captures sunlight's energy. It absorbs blue and red light while reflecting green, giving plants their vibrant color. Photosynthesis occurs in two stages, light-dependent and light-independent reactions. The light-dependent reactions take place in the thylakoid membranes. They rely on continuous sunlight. Here, chlorophyll absorbs light energy and converts it into chemical energy as ATP and NADPH. Next comes the light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle. This stage occurs in the stroma, where sunlight isn't necessary. The energy from ATP and NADPH is utilized to convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrates like glucose. But did you know there are different types of photosynthesis? Let's examine C3 and C4 photosynthesis. C3 photosynthesis, the most common type, results in a 3-carbon compound called 3-phosphoglyceric acid. This eventually transforms into glucose. In contrast, C4 photosynthesis creates a 4-carbon intermediate compound. This compound splits into carbon dioxide and a 3-carbon compound in the Calvin cycle. C4 plants can thrive in low light or water-scarce environments, thanks to this adaptive process. In summary, photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. It transforms sunlight into energy and maintains our atmosphere. With its different types, photosynthesis showcases nature's incredible diversity. Now that you know about photosynthesis, let's take action. Consider planting a garden or learning more about the plants in your area. Together, we can appreciate the magic of nature's energy factory.
Thanks for watching Zenvix. Subscribe for smarter health and science.